Food security is absolutely a fundamental right, not some luxury. If you're facing food insecurity in Ohio right now, getting help is actually much easier than you might think. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going step by step through the Ohio SNAP online application, so you can secure your household's food budget with total confidence. So, here's our quick roadmap to make this whole process a breeze. We're going to cover 1. What is Ohio SNAP? 2. Who qualifies for benefits? 3. How to apply online? 4. Documents you will need. And finally, next steps and FAQs.
All right, Section 1. What exactly is Ohio SNAP? Let's start by figuring out what this assistance program is actually designed to do for you.
Look, if you've been feeling the squeeze at the grocery store checkout lately, you're definitely not alone. Eating healthy is absolutely critical for our families and our independence, and that's exactly why this safety net exists across the state.
So here's the deal with SNAP, which stands for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It basically acts like a debit card specifically for your groceries. In Ohio, they call this the Ohio Direction Card. It instantly expands your buying power, letting you use those funds at local grocery stores and farmers markets, which in turn frees up your hard-earned cash for other essentials like rent and utilities.
The ultimate goal here is super simple: ensuring everyone can afford nutritious meals completely regardless of their income. It's a vital support system meant to safeguard the health and well-being of all Ohio residents.
Moving right along to Section 2, who qualifies for benefits? Let's completely demystify the rules around exactly who is eligible to receive these benefits based on the current guidelines.
Okay, to qualify, your household generally needs to be making below 130% of the federal poverty level. So what does that mean in real numbers? Well, for a single person, that gross income limit is currently around $1,580 a month. And for a family of 4, it's roughly $3,250 a month.
Now listen up, because here is a major pro tip. This is where so many people get tripped up, and where you might actually qualify even if you thought there was no way. See, gross income is your total earnings before taxes, but your net income is what's left over after allowable deductions. We're talking high rent, dependent care, or medical expenses for the elderly and disabled.
Let's look at some real-world scenarios to show exactly why that difference is a huge deal. Even if your gross income looks slightly over the limit, like say a single person making $1,600, your living expenses matter immensely in the final calculation. High rent or hefty utility bills can actually help drastically reduce your net income and get you qualified for that assistance.
All right, Section 3, how to apply online. Time to roll up our sleeves and walk hand in hand through the actual digital application journey. We're going to follow these 3 overarching steps. Believe it or not, the entire online application is designed to be completed in just about 20 to 30 minutes, provided you've got your household and financial data gathered beforehand. It all starts over at the Ohio Benefits Self-Service Portal.
So your very first action on the portal dashboard is just clicking the button that says Log in or create an OHID. OHID is simply the state of Ohio's single digital identity solution. Think of it as a master key. It gives you one secure account to access all sorts of various state agency services without needing to remember a dozen different passwords.
Now, to keep your data totally safe, the process does require email verification. You'll click Create Account, punch in your email, and the system will immediately send a secure one-time 6-digit PIN to your inbox for you to enter on the screen.
Next up, as you move through the 6-step account creation, you'll enter your legal first name, last name, and date of birth. And hey, quick note here. Providing your social security number is completely optional at this specific OHID account creation step, though you will definitely need it a bit later for the actual SNAP application.
Finally, you'll just create a username and password, and then set up account recovery using your mobile number, just to ensure you never lose access to your portal. Once you accept the terms and conditions, boom, your OHID is ready to go. You can then link it to the benefits portal and hit that Apply for Benefits button to start the actual application. Section 4, Documents you will need. Let's talk about the exact paperwork you're going to need to round up. Having these specific documents gathered beforehand, that is literally the secret to a speedy application, so let's get organized. The state basically needs to verify your identity, your legal status, your Ohio residency, and your financial situation. So things like a driver's license, birth certificate, your lease agreement, and your pay stubs from the last 30 days, those are exactly what the caseworkers are looking for. And honestly, here is the absolute best part.
You do not need to hunt down some ancient fax machine or a fancy scanner. The digital portal lets you just use your smartphone's camera. Just take clear photos of your documents and upload them straight from your phone's gallery to instantly speed up your processing time. It's really that easy.
Section 5. Next Steps and FAQs. Let's see how all this builds toward actually getting your benefits approved, and we'll clear up a few common questions.
So after you hit submit, you're going to need to do a brief phone interview with a caseworker. Approval usually takes anywhere from 7 to 30 days, and you can always jump back into the portal to check your status. Once approved, you'll get your Ohio direction card in the mail. And please note this important detail. You are now required to unlock your card before making any online or out-of-state purchases, which is just a measure to protect you from fraud.
Let's tackle some big FAQs. First, can I still get SNAP if I work a full-time job? This is a massive misconception, folks, but the answer is a resounding yes. As long as your income after those allowable expenses we talked about falls within the state limits, full-time workers absolutely qualify. The program is designed to supplement your income and help families stretch their food budgets while adults keep working toward financial stability.
Next question. Can college students qualify for SNAP benefits? Yes, absolutely. College students can qualify under specific situations. If you're eligible, you could potentially receive up to $234 a month, or even more, making SNAP a really vital part of your back-to-school checklist. You'll just need to provide a copy of a letter from your college or institution during your application.
Just a quick disclaimer before we wrap up. Please remember that while this explainer is meant to be a comprehensive guide, individual circumstances and government policies do shift over time. Always consult official state resources at benefits.ohio.gov. Or if your application is ever denied and you really think it shouldn't be, reach out to legal professionals like Ohio Legal Help for personalized advice.
So you've got the roadmap, you've got the digital tools, and you know exactly how your everyday expenses can actually reduce your net income. What's stopping you from claiming the assistance you totally deserve? Head over to the Ohio Benefits portal and secure your household's nutritional future today. But it leaves us with a much larger question to ponder. As these digital portals make access easier than ever, how many millions of eligible dollars are still sitting unused out there just because people don't know these simple steps? Share this knowledge and keep exploring.